You guys, I can hardly contain my excitement over filming this video because I have tried to do my own nails at home for so long. I'm not even kidding, just to save money, and plus like sitting at the nail salon is so aggravating to me for some reason. So I'm so excited to be making this video to share kind of what I have learned doing my own nails and how you guys can do your own manicures at home that look so good for literally a fraction of the price you would pay at the salon. So we're gonna go ahead and get into that. I'm gonna show you guys how I DIY my own gel nails at home. But without further ado, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I do post every single Wednesdays and I'm posting shorts all of the time. So make sure you guys subscribe on here and then also ring the bell so you get notified every time I post, and give this video a like if you end up enjoying this type of video. And I will say that I'm going to link all of my nail essentials down below in the description box on my Amazon storefront so you guys can shop all of these products. So with that, let's just go ahead and get right into the video. Let's go. Also, I just went to the hair salon and let me just say my hair is fresh, it is clean, and it feels amazing. Okay, so this is the beauty that I bought and I use, and I know so many other people who use this too. So whenever I was searching for gel nail kits on Amazon, there are quite a few, and the best rated one was this one. And I've also like looked on TikTok videos and YouTube videos, and this was the one that kept coming up. So I figured I would try it out. It is the Beetles Gel Polish brand, and basically this is the all-in-one mani kit. So if you are just like looking to get one thing off of Amazon to do your nails, get the whole kit because you're gonna need like all the products in here. So let's go ahead and open this up. I am like so thrilled. I have never done my own gel nails at home, and now I'm obsessed. I will never go back to a nail salon to get my nails done. I will not do it. So anyways, here it comes with, what is it called? Just a UV LED nail lamp, and this is the Pro one. It works really great so far, and honestly, I opened this kit and like I was a little bit overwhelmed at first, so not to worry. There are instructions and it literally tells you step by step what to do and what everything is for, but I had watched quite a few like TikTok videos and YouTubes, so I feel like I like kind of knew what was going on. But let's go ahead and go through all of this. We have the cord for the UV lamp, so that's that. And then we go ahead and get into, it gives you a nail file, a buffer. These are both really important. I'll go ahead and go over like the step-by-step on how you actually do your nails, but I want to show you guys what is in this kit. So next we have our top coats. One is matte and one is not, so that's kind of nice that they give you both so you can have the option. And then another one that looks like these is the base gel, so you're gonna need this, and that's included like with your nail prep, so I will again explain all of that in just a minute. Okay, they give you a few more nail things, so I'm gonna just kind of show you all of these. But I have the cuticle oil, which is so important whenever you're constantly doing your nails. I also have the little thingamabobbers for your feet, and then we also have nail clippers, and then also this tool which helps push your cuticle back, and then another nail tool. And then they also give you this like brush, and I guess this is for the brush, but they say to like just brush off your nails whenever you're done filing and buffing them. So that's what that is for. I actually haven't used that brush just because I feel like there's not really a need for it. And then I have all of the colors. I am so excited about all these colors. So I got like the neutral color kit. You guys can see all of the fun colors. So a lot of these are just neutral, and actually last night I got a package in the mail. I ordered more gel polish, and they're like more pastel-y colors because that's more of my vibe. So I ordered the pastel colors from Beetles, and they also do sell like a whole bunch of colors too that you can get like separately. So if you like for some reason have like a UV light at home and you're like, okay, I don't need everything that it comes with, you can just get the gel polish. But I don't know, I highly recommend using the Beetles UV light with their polish just because it's the same brand and I feel like they know how it works well together. Anyway, I do want to tell you guys a few different nail prep and nail care things, because I feel like that's super important when doing your own gel nails at home. I have done my nails a few different times, and there's a lot that I've learned already, and they say there's so much trial and error when it comes to doing your own nails at home. So for me, I realized that I had been putting on too thick of gel coats like initially, so it would always like peel off, but I've had this set on for 5 or so days, so it hasn't peeled off or anything yet, so I feel like I'm winning there. I figured that out because I was getting so frustrated because I'm like, oh my gosh, I just spent all this money on this DIY nail kit and all these nail polishes and stuff, and it just like won't work. Literally the gel would peel off. So yeah, there's a bunch of trial and error, but there's a lot of good like nail prep tips that you guys should know before applying all the polish and everything, because if you don't actually do nail care before you apply the gel polish, it's just gonna chip and it's just going to peel off, and you don't want that because it does take some time. Okay, so the nice thing about this kit is it literally gives you this application guide. So I'm just kind of going to walk you guys step by step on the process and how to really do it for a successful manicure. So the first thing they tell you is to cut your nails to the desired length and then file, shape, and buff the nails. So that's when that comes in handy. And you're basically just gonna be like roughing the surface, making sure there's like no excess debris on the nails. And then you really wanna push back your cuticles because that's gonna give you an even and great manicure. And then after that, you wanna trim your cuticles, dust off your nails, and then you clean your nails. So this is when a dehydrator really comes in handy. I did buy that separately, so I will link that down below if you guys are interested in that. But it basically just takes all of the oil and everything off of your nail so that the gel polish can hold onto your nail. So that is so important. I honestly was using rubbing alcohol for a while or alcohol wipes, and it basically does the same thing, but I just ended up buying a nail dehydrator, and it basically looks like nail polish or like cuticle oil. So yeah, I highly just recommend getting that if you plan on doing your nails for a while. Okay, so this is important information. So the first thing you have to do after you dehydrate your nail is apply that base coat, and that's what's kind of like adhere to the actual gel polish. So then after you apply that base coat, you want to cure your hands under the light for at least 60 seconds, but if you can sit under the light for more than 60 seconds, I feel like that is preferred. So at least 60 seconds, that is so important, or your gel nail polish is not going to stay on. So then after you do that, all you're going to do is just take your color that you have chosen and then also do 2 thin coats, you guys. I have learned this myself. Thin is the way to go. I usually do 2 coats, and then after every coat, I just cure it under the lamp for both 60 to 90 seconds. Make sure you are not doing them any like less, because it's just not gonna work and your nails aren't gonna cure. So yeah, it's like a whole process, but I really enjoy it. I don't mind doing it. It's like basically a form of self-care for me, and I don't have to spend time at the nail salon for nails that I don't like, because for some reason I just can't find a good nail person or nail lady that is like close by me that I really like. So this was perfect, and I didn't have to spend a whole bunch of money on getting my nails done. So that is how I do my own DIY gel nails at home. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments. Again, I will link everything down in the description box below, but I hope this helped you if you are trying to do your own nails at home. It honestly is game changing, and I don't think I will ever go back to a normal nail salon again. So I love it. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe because I post every single Wednesday, and give this video a like if it ended up helping you, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.